Hi all, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and support my channel. In this video, I will show how you can create an OU in Active Directory. Please follow the steps. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Right-click on the forest domain name. Click on New tab and select Organizational Unit. Type the name of the OU which you need to create. You can select Protect Container from Accidental Deletion and click OK. I am creating another multiple OU on this OU which I created. My plan is to create the objects here on the new OU which created. Please follow the steps to create another OU. I created users and device OU here. I created users and device OU here. Users OU is to manage the new users and device O is to manage the devices. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Follow for new videos and updates.